Stanley and the Blizzard Snow Wind. The weather on the island of Solar had came better for the engines. The blizzard was coming. The engines had to work very hard to fight the weather. This meant that all the engines had to go slow because of the bad weather. And also the big freeze had also came. And it had caused all the tracks to become frozen. But it didn't mind the engines because they had fireboxes to keep them warm and sand, so all the engines won't be slipping off on over the rails. One blizzard morning, Sir Thomad had sent Stanley to pull a line of trucks. Thomas was the one shunting the train for him. There you go, Stanley. Your trucks is all ready. Thanks, Thomas. Boy, oh boy, it's a really blizzard today. I know, right? I had to clear all of the snow off, and when I was doing that, the blizzard had came. I hope it won't cause a big freeze like 7 years ago. Yeah, 7 years ago. Oh yeah, Percy. Yeah, 7 years ago, we was out of coal. And all the diesels had to do all of our work. What a nice throwback you got there, Percy. Thank you. Alright, I guess I'll have to go and pull these trucks away. And Stanley set off. Stanley had to go to Marin Station, so he had to take the first section of the bridge to get there. Said Stanley. Seems like the trucks are causing troublesome. But to the truck's mind, they were gonna. He had made his way to the next section of the bridge when the disaster struck. The wind by Great Warrington Station had shooken the bridge very hard. And this may cause the bridge support to cave in. When Stanley crossed the bridge, the wind had pushed him. Whoa, said Stanley. It's very windy out here. Then the wind pushed him and pulled him up, and then caused him to derail. Oh no, said Stanley. I'm derailed. Oh dear, it must have the blizzard have caused all of this. The trucks got their chance. On, they said. Push him off the rails. Oh dear, said Stanley. I'm gonna fall. His driver and fireman jumped cleared, and Stanley lay dazed and surprised. Oh dear, I'm so damaged right now, and my paint is damaged. There was more trouble up ahead. Well, not up ahead. The wind had shooken the bridge so hard, it caused the bridge to collapse. Some of the trucks had came off the rails, except for the 3 trucks and the brake van. Stanley had now all the engines are going to be delayed by the passengers and stuff. Help has soon arrived. Edward brought the breakdown train, and Rosie arrived to take the rest of the trucks to their final destinations. Sir Topham was also there. He came to see Stanley. "Are you okay, Stanley?" said Sir Topham. "Yes," said Stanley, "but I'm feeling all damaged." "Don't worry, Stanley," said Sir Topham. "I got Thomas to take you to the works." And oh my, this bridge is going to need to be repaired. "How did this happen, Stanley?" "It all started when I crossed the bridge, and the wind had shaken the bridge and me, caused for me to derail, and it caused the troublesome trucks to push me off the rails." "Those trucks, I should have known." "Well, Stanley, when you done being fixed and stuff, I want you to pick me up at Napa Station and go to the center yards and collect the trucks the ones that you was talking about." "Yes, sir," said Stanley. Thomas had took Stanley to the works. And Sir Thomas had let Thomas stay with Stanley to keep him company. When the next day I came, he was good as new, and wanted to cause some mischievous trouble. He arrived back at Napa Station to collect Sir Topham hat. But when Stanley looked over at the shunter yards, he saw James shunting the trucks that they had pushed Stanley off of the bridge. Hold back, shut up!" And James bumped them very hard. "Oh, now behave yourselves." "Whoa, James, I see you hate trucks," I say. "Well, yeah," said James. "Why?" "Well, it's because they had pushed me off the bridge and stuff." "Yeah, I heard about it and stuff. Are you gonna get a revenge on him?" "Yeah," said Stanley. "So Topham had also coming too." "Well, okay. I want to see it. Well, you can come along." "Okay, let's go." "Come on, you trucks. I'm gonna take you on for a little ride." "Where are we going?" "You'll see." "Oh, James, this is gonna be so good." "I know. I haven't pushing the trucks off the bridge in my time." "You haven't?" said Stanley. "Then what have you done?" "I gave him a bump for pushing me in down the hill and stuff." "Oh, I see." James and Stanley were going to the same place where Stanley had taken the trucks. "All right, I think that's enough pushing. Where are we going?" When the trucks looked, they were going to the same place where they pushed Stanley off the bridge at. I think you can stop now." They still haven't listened. Then it happened. "No!" said the trucks. "That's what you trucks get for messing with me and James." "Yeah." So Topham was also there. He had stern words for the trucks. "I don't appreciate what you have done to Stanley the other day," he said crossly. "And from what I see here, you was bumping James there as he was sent to you in the buffers. So, as a punishment, you will all go work on rubbish duty. And if this happens again, I'm gonna have to scrap you. Please, sir, said the sharks. Not rubbish, duty. I don't want no more words for you. What you have done was wrong. When James and Stanley saw Sir Tom had told the trucks off, they had started to laugh, and Stanley had the most laughter of all.
What a lovely day it is. Don't you agree, Percy?
I agree. It's more lovely than a strawberry ghetto.
Oh no, look who it is.
Smelly black box.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
I'm afraid that green friend of yours, Henry, is away at the ended. Sometimes he over.
Oh no!
Oh yes. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to shunt my truck.
We'll see about that.
What do you mean?
You'll see.
Right, that's all my truck shunted.
Thomas, what's he going to do now?
See that truck in the middle over there?
Yeah? What about it?
Look at it.
You're right, that truck definitely needs oiling.
No, look.
What is it?
The bike, Percy. Look at its bike.
Oh, I get it now. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yes, watch.
Right, let's let the world's strongest engine take these trucks away.
Hey, Percy, what's this? Hey, Diesel! I bet you can't move all those trucks at once!
Oh, yes, I can.
Diesel, you're about as strong as a sail on a windmill.
Oh, yeah? Well, we'll see about that.
Okay then, pull!
Alright then. What?
Oh, Diesel, did I mention you were going the wrong way?
Right. That's the last straw.
Percy, do you see any straw?
Shut up.
I thought you were strong, Diesel.
I am.
Well, prove it then.
Okay then. Oh! Ouch!
Hello all. Whatever happened here? Got into a bit of trouble, Aunt Diesel?
I don't want to talk about it.
Henry?
Do you think you can pull all those trucks together?
Of course I can. Just you watch. Right. On our way then.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Well, we learned about one thing, Thomas.
And what's that?
Henry is the world's strongest engine on the Fat Controllers Railway. Thomas, can I ask you something?
Yeah? What's that?
Who's the strongest? Flying Scotsman or City of Truro?
Percy, that's an easy one. The strongest engine is... Yeah, that is a very good question.
won. James has been lots of fun. Percy Poe's the mail of town. Gordon thunders down the line. Emily really knows her stuff. Henry toots and Edward puffs. Rebecca and Nia are new there. And Toby, he is wise and square. They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8. Shunting trucks and hauling crates. Yellow, green, red, orange, blue. They're a really useful crew. And all with different roles to play around in the shed or far away. And out the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends.